Hello, and once again, welcome to all of you in the class of SYBCom Marketing Management 1. In our previous session, we had seen the basic introduction of modern industry, role of modern industry in India, and the detailed concept of MNC means multinational corporations. Now, in this lecture, we will see the process of starting a new business. So, without wasting any single minute, we have to start our session. So, student, here is the study content of our unit. I have to read the study content. Process of starting a new business or industry. In the process of starting new business or industry, total 9 important stages are essential from the point of view of promoters. We have to cover all the stages in detail in this lecture. So let's start with the first one. So first process of starting a new business or industry is refine your ideas. If you are thinking about starting a business, you likely already have an idea of what you want to sell or at least the market you want to enter. Do a quick search for existing companies in your chosen industry. Learn what current brand leaders are doing and figure out how you can do it better. If you think your business can deliver something other companies don't, so you have got a solid idea and are ready to create a business plan. Number 2 is write a business plan. Once you have once you have your idea in place, you need to ask yourself a few important questions. What is the purpose of your business? Who are you selling to? What are your end goals? How will you finance your startup cost? These questions can be answered in well written business plan. Number 3 is conduct market research. Conducting through market research on your field and demographics of potential clients is an important part of crafting a business plan. This involves conducting surveys, holding focus groups, and researching SEO means search engine optimization and public data. Market research helps you to understand your target customer, their needs, preferences, habits, and behavior, as well as your industry and competitors. Number 4 is assess your finances. Starting any business has a price, so you need to determine how you are going to cover those costs. Do you have the means to fund your startup, or will you need to borrow money? If you are planning to leave your current job to focus on your business, do you have money put away to support yourself until you make a profit? It's best to find out how much your startup cost will be. So, assessment of your finance is also very important in the stage of starting a new business. Number 5 is determine your legal business structure. Before you can register your company, you need to decide what kind of entity it is. Your business structure legally affect everything from how you file your taxes to your personal liability if something goes wrong. If you own the business entirely by yourself and plan to be responsible for all debts and obligations, you can register for a sole proprietorship. Be warned that this route can directly affect your personal credit. Next process is number 6, register with the government. To become an officially recognized business entity, you must register with the government. Corporations will need an article of incorporation document which includes your business name, business purpose, objectives, corporate structure, stock details and other information regarding to the company. Otherwise, you will need to register your business name which can be your legal name, a fictitious doing business as a name, or the name you have to come up with your company. You may also want to take steps to trademark your business name for extra legal protection. Next one, number 7, obtain all required licenses and permits. Some businesses may also require federal, state, or local licenses and permits to operate. The best place to obtain a business license is at your local city hall. You can then use the database to search for licensing requirements by state and business types. Businesses and independent contractors in certain trades are required to carry professional licenses. Stage number 8, purchase and insurance policy. It might slip your mind as something you will get around to eventually, but purchasing the right insurance for your business is an important step that should happen before you officially launch. Dealing with incidents such as a property damage, theft, even a customer lawsuit can be costly, and you need to be sure that your property is protected. If your business will have employees, you will at a minimum need to purchase workers' compensation and unemployment insurance. You may also need other types of coverage depending on the location of your business or industry. Number 9 is choose your vendors. Running a business can be overwhelming, and you and your team probably aren't going to be able to do it all at your own risk. That's where third party vendors come in. Companies in every industry, from HR to business phone systems, exist to partner with you and help you run your business better. When you are searching for business to business partners, you will have to choose carefully. These companies will have to access to vital and potentially sensitive business data. So it's critical to find someone you can trust. And last stage is number 10, brand yourself and advertise. Before you start selling your product or service, you need to build up your brand or get following of people ready to jump when you open your literal or figurative door for business. Create a logo or brand. Brand means any symbol, name, sign which can be provide an identity to particular products. Okay, so create a logo that can help people easily identify your brand and be consistent in using it across all of your platforms, including your all important company's website. Use social media to spread the word about your new businesses, perhaps as a promotional tool to offer coupons and discounts to followers once you launch. So, student, in this lecture, we have to understand the detailed process of starting a new business or industry. The remaining part of this unit we'll see in next lecture. Thank you.